first destination is Zenpukuji Park. It's located close to Nishi Okikubo Station, 1.3 kilometers, about 16 minutes by walk. After I arrived at the station, I slowly moved to the park. On the way, I enjoyed the sunny weather and classic Japanese living areas. Quiet and peaceful actually, can't believe that this is still Tokyo. Zenpukuji Park, great and free park in Tokyo, Suginami Ward. A lot of wild and green. As well, people comes here to try and take shots of rare birds. There is playgrounds, wild tracks, and different interestingness. One of the interestingness is this statue of... Actually, I don't know, sorry. Please Google it if you can and leave a comment as I try to find some information, but... And there is much other things as you can rent a boat or just walk around, see different interestingness of Japanese things and enjoy the weather if it's good. So highly recommend you to go with your family or friends and just enjoy the day in some different, not so much famous park in Tokyo, in good quiet area. Second destination is Okikubo area. A lot of people and big roads. Opposite of Nishi Okikubo, it's working area with tons of cars and shops. But it has its own unique architecture and streets. I had enjoyed to walk around and explore the new things. This is Suginami Hokkaido. Suginami public concert hall with its own different events. And of course, as everywhere in Japan here, many jinjas, so many temples, and many torii gates, statue and more interesting feature you can explore only in this area. Third, Highly recommended place to visit is Otaguro Park. Amazing, beautiful, clean and free of charge small park in traditional Japanese style. Many wild trees, bamboo trees and many other trees that I have not sure what is it. Grass, sun and peace. As well one amazing lake with crystal clean water. Just was dreaming to jump in, but unfortunately I don't think this is allowed. And of course, koi fish, beauty, with different colors magic fish. For sure, they are tasty as well. I was really hungry there, so take your family, your friends, and spend one sunny day and chill at this park. You will power up you with great atmosphere. Fourth area in Suginami Ward in today's video will be Boom Bami Baboom Asagaya. One more fantastic and unique place with own living areas and great center. Close to Asagaya station is one big, or more right to say, long covered marketplace. The name is Asagaya Pier Center Shopping Street. 1, 2, 3, 700 different small shops for all your needs. It's very crowded here, isn't it? I really enjoyed to walk on it. Then I moved to one great Jinja, so temple. About 1 kilometer from the center, after walking under the great sun with perfect wind, crossing some living areas, I arrived to the Suginami Sarutahiko Shrine, free entry, homely small shrine. I bought a souvenir from there. In Japanese is omiyage. Now it's time for the fifth and the last location in Suginami-ku. It is Koenji. A lot of interesting things here. Minimalistic streets, again long shopping center, many people, and a lot of fun. This shopping center is almost the same as this on Asagaya. I actually confused when I arrived here. I thought I was mistaken by the GPS and went back, but no, this is Koenji Pao Shopping Center, not the Asagaya Pier Shopping Street Center. Oh my god, so long names. Then I moved out. On the streets I was enjoyed of Japanese small streets, people and izakayas. After slowly moved to the one temple I thought to visit. Oh, look at this interesting sign. No graffiti please. Okay. Then, close to the Koenji Center is Mubashi Inari Shrine. Free to visit, interesting and great shrine. And the last, I went to Zenpukuji River Green Space. It's not a Zenpukuji Park. This is a part of one long riverside road that includes a lot of things to do. Sports, playgrounds, animals, flowers, birds, and more and more. Yeah, I know that birds are animals as well, but anyway, here in Japan they have like a very famous hobby is to shut the rare birds. Actually it's everywhere, it's not just in Japan. Here's a lot of very rare birds, so I was walking there till the end and enjoyed. It's quite really long. It was good. So see you. Take care. Bye bye.